Hello guys, welcome to Quantum Tech Lab, the place where we break down technology into simple practical steps anyone can follow. In today's quick guide, we'll learn how to check for software updates on an Android phone. Keeping your device updated is important because updates often include security patches, bug fixes, and new features that improve performance and keep your phone running smoothly. Open the Settings app on your Android device. The Settings menu acts as the control center of your phone, allowing you to manage many important features such as display settings, security options, apps, battery usage, storage, and notifications. Next, scroll down through the Settings menu until you see the option Software Update, System Update, or sometimes System. The exact wording may vary depending on your phone brand, such as Samsung, Xiaomi, or other Android devices. Tap on that option to open the update page. After that, look for the Download and Install or Check for Updates button. Tap it to let your phone search for the latest available software update. Your device will then connect to the internet and check the manufacturer's servers. If an update is available, you will see a prompt allowing you to download and install it. Make sure your phone has enough battery and is connected to Wi-Fi before starting the update. If no update appears, it simply means your device is already running the latest version. That's it for today's tutorial. Stay curious, keep exploring technology, and follow Quantum Tech Lab for more helpful Android tips and easy tech guides.